Welcome in subtracting integers. Let's have a recall on parts of subtraction. We have the minuend, first number, in an equation, and then the subtrahend, and then the answer is the difference. So we have minuend, subtrahend, then difference. Process of subtraction. So first one is to change the sign of the subtrahend. Technically, from positive then negative, and then the other one would be negative to positive. Then second step would be proceeding to addition, or let's proceed to addition. So that's how subtraction works. In this presentation, we have our setting up. So I'll present now two ways on how to work on subtraction. First one is by model. So we use now tiles, where yellow means 1, and then orange means -1. Then abstraction or solution is using the integers, or the usual way in solving it. Let's have an example. Simplify 5 minus 4. So, having the model, so we have now 5 yellow tiles, which our value is 5. And then we have another 4 yellow tiles, which is 4. However, on our process, we said that change the sign of the subtrahend. So, changing that, it will lead you to this one, -4. Now, in subtracting, then we proceed now to addition. They are now unlike sign or different sign. So we need to remove the pairs of positive and negative. So let's remove that. First one, second one, third, and fourth one. And what would be the remaining is the answer, and the answer is 1. Now in abstraction or solution, what happened there is this one. 5 minus 4, you change the sign of the subtrahend, then it turns out to be negative. And then, because there is a positive and negative consecutively, it will lead you to this one, 5 minus 4. And then the answer is 1. Another example, 7 minus -5. So, in model, we have here 7. And then we have here -5. Now, changing the sign of the subtrahend, it will lead you to this one. It would be turned out to be a positive. And then, if they are same sign, therefore you just need to combine that, and the answer is 12. Now, in abstract or solution, this is what will happen. Writing the given 7 minus -5. Changing the sign of the subtrahend, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, and then the answer would be 12. Another example, -3 minus 4. So we have now our model. So let's have now -3, and then we have now 4. In the process, change the sign of the subtrahend. So the 4 will be changed. Then it turns out to be -4. Now, then we proceed now to addition. So they are same sign, so you combine them. So the answer is -7. Let's have now the abstract or solution. So -3 minus 4. Change the sign of the subtrahend, then it turns out to be -4. Having now the solution, -3 minus 4, the answer is -7. Let's simplify -1 minus -3. So let's have now the model. We have now -1. And then we have now -3. So changing the sign of the subtrahend, so -3 will be now 3. Now, they are different signs, so we remove now the pairs of positive and negative. So removing that, what is the remaining? That would be the answer, which is true. Now in abstract or solution, we have this one. So negative 1 minus negative 3, changing the sign of the subtrahend, it will lead you to a positive. Negative 1 plus 3, the answer is true.